Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to find best selling digital products on Etsy. So let's suppose that if you wanted to make a new store on Etsy and if you wanted to sell digital products on Etsy, then how you can actually find the best selling digital products on Etsy. So first of all you need to open up the google.com and we will actually search here something like this, a search command which is site.etsy.com index digital file types 50 to 1000 reviews. Now what this actually search phrase means that we want from etsy.com those pages that have digital files on them, and those products must have at least 50 to 1000 reviews. And once you hit enter you will see these kind of web pages here. Okay, so these are all the digital products that are right now best selling on Etsy. So we will open up them like one by one here, and if you look at the first one, this is just what this is: expensive and difficult custom digital file digital download png svg, great for t-shirts and print design. So this is basically the designs for t-shirts and print, and this is the png and svg. So and this product has like 4.8 rating, 387 reviews, and 2477 sales. So which means that this product is right now hot selling on Etsy. It is a digital product for USD 2.25, and you can actually download the zip file as well. So this is basically a png or svg, so you can get the idea that you can actually earn very serious amount of income just by uploading the t-shirts or png. And if this is like USD 2.25 and 387 reviews, and if we open up the calculator here and if we just get the rough estimates, so 2.25 multiplied by 387, sorry, 2477 sales total, 2477s. so this person's alone make $5,573 from just selling this png and svg file, which is just for 2.25 USD. And if we get here, which is, what is this one? This is the 3D thunder laser pins digital file, 4 styles, type for honeycomb bed nova 63 svg. This is also a 3D print style thing. You can actually download it in zip, and it is for USD 7.99. and whoa, look at the sales, man. And this is the star seller. It has like 10k sales and 4.9 rating and 852 reviews. So if we just multiply with this one, basically if we just go into the CE here, and so if we just roughly gets the estimate like 7.799 multiplied by 10,116. Oh my god, this person alone made like $78,000 from just selling this digital product on Etsy. And it is the star seller, and star seller, this seller consistently earned 5-star reviews. And if we go back here again, then again we get this, and then we have this Glowforge pins, and this is like USD 0. And it also has the 10k sales, and it also has the star seller. So you need to basically search like this. Okay, so this will actually gets you the those products from Etsy which are digital products, and which are like very very famous on Etsy. And if we just open this one up here, what do we get? Okay, so Now there is another option that we can use, and another tool that we can use to actually search for the number of searches that these gets. Okay, so how do we do that? Let me just show you. Okay, so there is another tool that we can use here. If we go into the new tab here, and we will type here like Google Keyword Planner here. If you don't know about Google Keyword Planner, Google Keyword Planner is a free tool that we can use to actually search for the keywords and their rankings. Okay, that how that keyword is ranking. So we just open up this, use Google Keyword Planner. Where is the Google Keyword Planner link? I think it's here, Google Keyword Planner. And a keyword planner, it's the basically I just wanted to, if we go to the apps here, there must be like Google Keyword Planner here. And okay, if we just go back here and okay, so we find the link, which is the ads.google.com, and we will click on this one, go to Keyword Planner here. And after going into the Keyword Planner here, I will just show you that how you can actually use this free tool to check the keywords, that which keywords are ranking and which keywords are not ranking. Okay, so this is a very great tool, and the good thing about this tool that it is free. Okay, so got it. And discover new keywords, so you will click on this discover new keywords option, and then here first of all from here you can actually select the country in which you actually wanted to check that let's suppose that if I wanted to check a phrase in a United States, so I will type here United States here, and then I will tap on save, and then I will search for this. Okay, and custom digital expensive, and this is not good. We will just use 3D thunder laser pins. Okay, so if we just copy this one and go into this one, and then we will search for the get results. Now here you can see that it doesn't have any kind of like searches for this one, so we will search for this one like Glowforge. Okay, let's go for this one, Glowforge here. And no, I don't want Pakistan in it, I just want United States in it. If we just save it, and if we just another one, which is this one, and get results. So now you can see that Glowforge Pro and Glowforge like Glowforge printer, Glowforge laser, Glowforge 3D laser, like this keyword has many searches, average monthly searches on the internet or on the Google here. So you can actually use this free tool to actually check that which keyword is actually ranking on the internet and which is not ranking on the internet. And you can always basically use this phrase to check for the best selling digital products on Etsy. So if you wanted to start business on like selling digital products on Etsy, so you just have to do a little bit of research like this that I have done, and then you can choose the right keyword, and then you can like make your own shop and start selling those digital products on Etsy. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.